welcome to the Mintu Show. Today I'll be inviting two very special guests. They are really powerful, but also really strange. Please welcome my first guest, Burp Boy. Have a seat. So Burp Boy, how did you get your burping powers? Oh, that smells horrible. What did you have for lunch? Can't you say anything else than burping? This is a new addition to the Mintu Show, and it's called the Rapid Fire Round. What's your name? Burp Boy. You talked. Do you like KFC? Do you like regular glue sticks or school glue better? Which show do you like better? The Mintu Show, the Conan O'Brien Show, or the Late Night Show with Jay Leno? You don't like my show? Get out of here! Oh, thanks. I hate you, Burp Boy. What do you think of yourself? I have a headache. Well, anyways, please welcome my second guest, Parrot Boy.
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Have a seat.
I can't believe you asked me that.
How's life?
How's life?
I asked you that question.
No, I asked you that question.
Can you just be quiet?
Can you just be quiet?
How can anybody speak to you?
How can anybody speak to you?
I give up.
I give up.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
No, I'll give you your money back if you get out of here.
Fine.
I hate that Parrot Boy guy. Well, anyways, next week it'll be SRK Returns.